Crowcoin profits, guys. I've been very profitable over the past month or so with Crowcoin and other altcoins. Yes, by shorting them, I know. But I will say, when I'm looking at Crowcoin's chart right now, I see some very, very precarious price action that we need to be talking about. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say in this video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys, we're going to start off on this post I made on Twitter. Follow me at 333Blacksea. I say, hold 10 cents on Crow or disaster dump incoming. Yes, I do believe that. Man, these pumps just don't have any legs, guys. They just not have any legs. And when you look at Crowcoin here, we've got this pump up here, and I'll say, I wouldn't be surprised if we started and come at least tap 12 cents. If we start to see that, then I would say that we're probably due for a little bit of a continuation. Maybe this will be the dead cat bounce that we've been looking for. But guys, we can't even get that. We can't get it. We're just getting these little baby pumps and then elevator down. And right now, just look at this. We came up here, got smacked down to 10 cents. This is a excruciatingly painful support level that we need to hold above. If we do not hold above 10 cents on Crowcoin on the daily time frame, I believe we are coming down to wick and test the low of about 0.094, 0.093 to be exact. And I do believe that we're going to come down and test the sacred 0.0830, which the reason why I call it sacred is because when you zoom out here and you look at really how much time Crowcoin has spent on that price action, it's a lot of time. We've held on that, rejected off it. We treat it as support, resistance. It's a magnet, and I do think that if we close below 10 cents, guys, I think we're headed straight for it. Guys. So as of right now, when I look at Crow, I think that the next move is very important. I've been shorting Crow since 15 cents. It's been a very, very profitable trade. When I look at Market Cipher here, the money flow is thick in the red. It looks like it wants to keep going to the downside. And we also have a red dot in the momentum wave. Red on red. Not so good for the bulls here. And I think that we're probably going to see this continue. When you see all these green dots on volume, which indicate bottom signals, if you see that, while the market is red like this, while the money flow is coming, when the liquidity is coming out of the asset, and you can't really catch a bid, like it is very bearish, guys. It is very bearish, and that's why over on Blowfin, guys, I'm short a lot of different altcoins. My Crowcoin short is up about $1,500, up about 518%. I did add to this position when we got this little bounce here when we came up to about 11 cents. And, I only added a little bit because I was expecting to see a little bit more of a bounce higher. I was expecting to go a little bit heavier on the trade if we could actually come up to say 12 cents, or maybe if we got lucky 15 cents. But as of right now, I only got to sprinkle a little bit in on some of my shorts on my short positions because we didn't get that true bounce I was looking for, which, guys, I think there will be a bounce at some point. The question is, do we see it happen? Do we hold over 10 cents and see the bounce, or do we come down to 0.0830 and hold the bounce, or do we make a new low and then finally see a bounce? So time will tell, but as of right now, I'm going to continue to hold my position open. It has about 38,500 Crowcoin. It's not a large position by any stretch of the imagination. This was originally just a high leverage scalp position. I was trying to short altcoins to hedge against my spot Bitcoin. And as we started to break down, I said, I am starting to flip bearish. I believe the 4-year cycle is complete, and I am looking for opportunities to enter some larger sized up short positions. But I can't catch it. I can't catch the actual bounce to layer in because all these pumps just can't. They don't have any legs. It's just a quick boop and then straight down. And if you guys do want to trade with me, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. If you want access to our private Discord, which is completely for free, all you have to do is sign up to Blowfin using the link in the description box below. You get a $5,000 sign bonus as well as access to our private Discord server. You click the link, you sign up, then you look for our Discord link in the description. You sign up, you follow a couple steps, and you're in. Come say hi to Crypto Kip and I. We give our trade signals there. We talk about a lot of our thesis on basically this market and what's going on. We both have been trading crypto for over a decade, and I would like to call us veterans in this industry, definitely when it comes to investing and trading for crypto. But if you guys want to take advantage of the lucrative sign-on bonuses and get access to the private Discord, check out all the affiliate links down below to help support this channel, and you guys get awesome bonuses. So it's a win-win for everybody. Now, Bitcoin right now, we just had a weekly candle closure, daily candle closure as well. A couple hours ago here, we are wicking below the 88,000. Man, it really like Crowcoin's price action is like a microcosm of what's happening here with Bitcoin. And I will say that when you look at what's happening here, if we can't hold over 88K, guys, I think it's timber, and I think that we are going to be going below 80,000, and I think we're going to be finally be hitting my targets between 75,000 and 83,000 around this area here, and hopefully we catch a bounce there, and hopefully I can actually size into some shorts. Otherwise, my swing shorts are going to be insignificant. I'll make a few $1,000s, but it will not be. It probably will hedge against my Bitcoin loss. Really, like it won't be significant. I am really looking for a significant short position here, but guys, I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not going to risk it for the biscuit. I'm going to be very calculated about when and where I'm going to actually size up in my shorts. And I'm not looking to do that until we see like an actual dead cat bounce or an actual, a little taste of potentially a bullish reversal to really get some bulls and liquidity back in the space. But guys, I'm just not seeing it happen. I'm just seeing rejection after rejection. We're getting little tiny stair steps up, then smack down, and we're getting the elevator down, and just a bounce will come, but I'm viewing it as probably most likely just going to be a lower high and a shorting opportunity. Now, guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Are you trading? Are you just holding spot? Are you sitting on your hands? I want to know what you guys are doing. Guys, I'm buying Bitcoin every single day. We're hitting my different levels, but that'll be for another Bitcoin video. Is that what I was trying to say? For another video, but it will be a Bitcoin video. But in the meantime, I'm going to be shorting these alts, looking for some actual opportunities to size up on these short positions. But that's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel now. Sign up using Blowfin down below to get access to our private Discord. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.